Good morning, students. This is JVN DS Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, this is the second class of nomenclature. I have prepared this lecture for BSc BA ZBC 5th semester. Subject name is Botany, paper name is Nomenclature. Today's we are going to study type concepts. Okay, since this is the second class, before this we have studied about ICBN. What is the full name of ICBN, when it came into the existence, and where is the headquarter of ICBN? You might be knowing. We have studied in details on previous turns. Today we are going to study type concepts. Okay, in nomenclature, where type concept come, and what is the significance of type, and what are those type of type concepts. Students, I recommend you that this type species type concept is very important, because most of the examination MCQ questions are being asked in this topic. What is the holotype, lectotype, neotype, syntype? All those topics are being asked. So try to focus on this lecture. So let's start. Names are stabilized by reference to nomenclatural types. Taxonomist, you know that taxonomist, those scientists who work on this taxonomy, taxonomists use the type methods as a legal device to provide the correct name of a taxon. Okay, to find out the correct name, specific name for a taxon, this type concept help. Okay, how this is going to help, we'll see them. The nomenclatural type of a species, that is a type specimen, is a single specimen or the plant on a single herbarium seeds. There is another topic in your syllabus, herbarium. I have already prepared and uploaded this lecture on herbarium, how herbarium formed, what are the historical background of herbarium. Uh, there are different types of herbarium, regional, national, and international. Some of the national herbarium found in India I have prepared in e-notes. You can find out it, and I recommend you that you go to that. Okay, so this is something about herbarium. Come to our actual topic, that is type concept. Type specimen, that herbarium seed is of different types. This is most important thing in this subtopic. Types of type species. Okay, holotype, when herbarium seed on which the first description of the plant is based. So suppose someone has found one plant and he has prepared on herbarium seeds. Okay, so this will be considered as the holotype. Okay, this is the holotype. Means for the first time observation is found on the herbarium seed. Okay, second is that is lectotype. In the case of holotype, is lost. Okay, second herbarium seed prepared from the original plant is called as lectotype. Means this is the substitute of holotype. Suppose holotype is missing, you have lost that holotype, so at the place of first plant you have to add another plant, you have to replace it. Okay, so the second one will called as lectotype. Okay, in this condition. Next is neotype. In case holotype and original plant is lost, then herbarium seed prepared from same other plant of the same species, that is called. This is the second category. When you have lost your lectotype also, means your holotype lost and your original plants lost. So at that time, when you put another plant from same original place, that will be considered as neotype. Next one is syntype. In the case of holotype and original plants, the plant is lost. Then many herbarium seed prepared from many plants of same species is called syntype. Cynotype. Okay. This is common name you might be studied in your chemistry class. Okay. One topic isomerism is there. So syn means same.